Alright, in today's video, we are going to have some fun experimenting with Google Opal, a new AI tool that lets you build mini apps just by giving instructions in plain English. Sounds cool, right? So here is what we are doing. I'm going to see if Opal can write short, catchy marketing blurbs for different products, but we are not keeping it simple. We will challenge it with specific rules like word limits, bullet points, bold text, and even catchy headlines, okay? So first up, I will ask Opal to build an app called Product Marketing Copywriter that takes in a product name, its features, and the target audience. Then it should split out a short blurb under 100 words with two features in bullet points and a strong call to action. After that, we will test the app using a real example, okay? And then comes the final step, refining the app. I will add a new instruction telling Opal to generate three catchy headlines and ensure the marketing blurb is exactly 75 words long. This part will really test how well Opal handles updates and detailed editing. So basically, we are checking if Opal can follow clear steps, format content properly, stick to our word limits, and create engaging, polished outputs, all from natural language prompts. Let's see what it can really do. Before we begin, if you are not sure what Opal is, don't worry, I will explain it. But if you already know, you can skip this part by clicking the timestamp below. Alright, Opal is a new experimental tool by Google that lets you build small AI apps using plain English, so no coding needed. You just describe what you want, and Opal uses advanced AI models like Gemini 2.5, Imagen 4, and Audio LM to create the app for you. It's great for automating tasks like writing blog posts or generating marketing content. You can link different steps and visuals and share your app easily. Right now, Opal is in public beta and available only in the US. There is also a demo gallery with templates to help you get started. You can use them as they are or modify them to fit your needs. Alright, now let's test it out. This is Opal's simple looking interface. We will click on create new, and as you can see, it says let's build your app. Here we need to type our prompt, or we can even speak the prompt using this mic icon. Alright, like I mentioned earlier, in this experiment, we will be building a mini AI app. This app's job is to write short marketing messages, also called blurbs, for different products. But it's not just about writing anything. We want to see if Opal can follow clear step-by-step instructions, format the content properly, stay within a word limit, okay? For that, my initial prompt will be this. Create a mini AI app called Product Marketing Copywriter. This app should take a product name, key features, and target audience as input. It needs to generate a short marketing blurb under 100 words that includes the product name, highlights at least two key features using bullet points, and ends with a call to action. The blurb should be enthusiastic and persuasive. Now I'm going to send the prompt, and look at that. Opal has already built the app for us in just a few seconds, which is definitely a plus point. This app is designed to make three inputs for the user: the product name, key features, and target audience. Then it will generate a short marketing blurb based on that. That looks pretty great so far. Now that the app is ready, let's test how it actually works. To do that, I will give this prompt: generate marketing copy for eco-friendly water bottle. Key features is made from recycled plastic, keeps drinks cold for 24 hours, sleek design. Target audience is environmentally conscious individuals who are active. Ensure the call to action is buy now and join the sustainable movement, and that the product name is bolded. I will copy this prompt, paste it into the input section, and then hit send. Okay, now it's asking me to list the key features using commas. So that means I have to enter the product name, key features, and target audience one by one. Now it's asking for the key features, so I will enter them here. Next, it's asking for the target audience, so I will type that in as well. Alright, let's see what kind of result it gives us. Here it is. We generated a headline, gave a short description, highlighted two key features, and also added a call to action with buy now, just like we wanted. This looks great. Alright, we had one more rule. The blurb should be written in under 100 words, right? So let's check if Opal followed that instruction or not. I'm going to copy the generated text and head over to a website called wordcounter.net. Now I will paste the text here. Okay, look at that. It shows 42 words, which means Opal followed our instructions perfectly. Now that we have seen Opal can follow our initial instructions, it's time to take things a step further. In this final phase, we will test how well Opal handles improvements or refinements. Basically, I will give it a new prompt asking it to add an extra step to the app. This time, the app should generate three catchy headlines for the marketing content. These headlines should be short, attention grabbing, and relevant to the product. Along with that, I will also ask it to make sure the final marketing verb is exactly 75 words long, not more, not less. Okay, this will help us test whether Opal can stick to a very specific word count and update the app accordingly. The goal here is to see if Opal can not only generate content but also refine and upgrade the app based on new instructions. Let's find out if it can handle these trigger rules and still deliver accurate, engaging output. Now we will give it a new prompt, revise the product marketing copywriter app, add a new step that generates three catchy headlines for the marketing blurb. The headlines should be concise and attention grabbing. Also ensure the marketing blurb is exactly 75 words long. I will go ahead and send this prompt. Let's see if Opal can handle it. Alright, look at that. It has added a new step called generate headlines, which means it understood our instructions. Now let's test the updated app again. I will refresh the app first. Okay, first I will change the name to product marketing copywriter. You can see the name has been updated. Now I will click start, enter the product name and hit send. Next I will enter the featured and send them. Then I will describe the target audience and submit that as well. And now it has started generating the output. Let's see what we get. Alright, look at this. It has generated three catchy headlines and also created the marketing copy. Now remember, this time our rules were generate three headlines and make sure the marketing verb is exactly 75 words long. So let's test that out. I will copy the text, go to the wordcounter.net website and paste it here. Oh wow, just look at this. It has generated exactly 75 words, which is honestly amazing. Alright, so it looks like Opal has followed our updated instructions perfectly. It generated exactly three catchy headlines, just like we asked, and the final marketing verb is exactly 75 words long. That means Opal was able to understand the changes, refine the app, and still follow all the formatting and word count rules. This shows that Opal isn't just good at creating something from scratch, it can also handle updates and improvements really well. I hope this gave you a clear idea of how powerful and easy to use Opal is for building mini AI apps without writing a single line of code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kind of app you would build with Opal. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.